I am going to define with you zero order reaction. So what is the meaning of zero order reaction? A very simple thing. If we take an A gives product and written as rate is equal to K A to the power 0. So this is known as the zero order reaction. Students, here we can write that when rate of reaction does not depend upon the concentration of reactant is known as zero order reaction. Where rate of reaction does not depend upon the concentration of reactant, because here when the A to the power 0, then it is equal to 1. So it is known as the zero order reaction. Okay. Now derivation for integrated rate equation. Integrated rate equation. As we know, minus dr upon dt is equal to K A to the power 0. It is also written as dr is equal to minus K into dt on integration. On integration. On integration, we get that integration of dr, integration of minus K, it is a constant, so not undergoes the integration dt. We get that R is equal to minus K into T plus C. Why this plus C is used? You know very well. This is a indefinite or undefined integration. So we have to take the constant at time t बराबर 0. R is equal to R naught. Initial concentration of reactant is R naught. On putting the value in equation first, you get that R naught is equal to minus K into 0 plus C. C is equal to R. On putting the value of C in equation first, this is the R is equal to minus K into T plus R naught. We will get that R minus R naught is equal to minus K into T. So this is the R naught minus R upon T is equal to clear. This R naught, what is the R? Initial concentration of reactant, that is in R concentration at time t, at time t. K is the rate constant. So this is the integrated rate equation for the zero order reaction. Okay student, try to understand again a very simple way. I am going to explain. As you know very well, in zero order reaction, A gives product. Here rate is equal to K A naught. When rate of reaction does not depend upon the concentration of reactants, is known as the zero order reaction, because the A to the power 0, A to the power 0 is considered as 1. So rate is equal to the rate constant. It do not depend on the concentration. When rate of reaction does not depend upon the concentration of reactant, is known as zero order reaction. Derivation for integrated rate equation: minus dr upon dt is equal to k to the power a naught. Dr is equal to minus k into dt. Here on taking the integration of both sides, you will get that integration of dr minus k integration of dt. What will we get? R is equal to minus kt plus c. So here student, this is indefinite integration. So we should take a constant. Now then time t barabar 0, R is equal to R naught. On putting the value in equation first, R naught is equal to minus k into 0 plus c. So c is equal to R naught. On putting the value of c in equation first, what will we get? We know R is equal to minus k into t plus R naught. R minus R naught is equal to minus k into t. We will calculate in this way the integrated rate equation. So finally I think you got it all. Now what is the characteristic of zero order reaction? Okay, so now characteristic of zero order reaction, properties of zero order reaction. Properties of zero order reaction. Okay, so first property is that zero order reaction is independent rate of zero order reaction is independent on the concentration of reactant. Rate of zero order reaction is independent on the concentration of reactant. Okay, we can also write this equation as this equation is written as R is equal to R naught minus K into T. So this follow what? This follow y is equal to m x c, straight line equation. As you know, this is the R, this is the time, this is the c. Okay, so here this c represent the r, intercept. Okay, m is equal to slope बराबर constant, that is the m is equal to minus. Finally